Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, alasin ko na po ng hapon ngayon nang nag-vlog ako. Ito mismong oras na ito po yung update sa DBM, yung mga notice of cash allocation na nilabas para sa PBB 2023. Basahin ko po yung mga schools at division na meron ng PBB. Yung Naval School of Fisheries, meron na silang PBB 2023 para sa 126 qualified officials and employees. Sa Region 8 po ito. Ito pa, Naval National High School, Maripipi National Vocational School, Kawayan National High School, Kulaba National Vocational School, Kaibiran National High School, Division of Biliran, 34 million pesos mahigit para sa 2,070 qualified officials and employees. Meron na ring PBB para sa Rafael Lintijas Memorial School of Fisheries para sa kanilang 69 qualified officials and employees. Meron na rin sa Calbayog City, ang laki, 39,689,000 pesos mahigit. PBB 2023 para sa 2,389 na mga qualified officials and employees. Para sa elementary and secondary schools, ito pa, yung sa Regional Office 7, mahigit 291.6 million pesos po yan. Para sa, hindi po yung PBB, sorry. Hindi po yung PBB, yung sa Regional Office 7. Ito pa, Samar National High School. Meron silang more than 4.9 million pesos para sa PBB 2023. Sa kanilang 307 qualified officials and employees. Ito pa, Katbalogan National Comprehensive High School. Merong 1.3 million pesos para sa 79 qualified officials and employees. PBB din po yan. Ito pa, Division of Katbalogan City. Ang laki. 15,841,000 pesos mahigit. Ito ay para sa 961 qualified official and employees ng DepEd Division of Katbalogan City. Tingnan pa natin yung iba, yung sa PBB 2023. Mga ka-Jesnabs, yung binabasa ko po ay hindi sa screen. Ito po ay galing sa aking laptop, kaya possible na hindi po magkatugma yung nandyan, Ito, meron din 924 million pesos para sa Regional Office 1. Ang laki. PBB 2023 po ito ng Regional Office 1. Tingnan pa natin yung iba. Ito pa, Wright National High School. Meron silang PBB 2023 din. Yung Valeriano C. Yancha Memorial Agricultural School, Santa Margarita National High School, West Coast Agricultural High School, Inabangan National High School, Clarencio Calagos Memorial School of Fisheries, Calbiga National High School, Basay National High School, Division of Samar, 115.29 million pesos mahigit para din sa PBB 2023 sa kanilang 6,998 officials and employees. Ito pa, Silveno Lobos Vocational High School, San Vicente School of Fisheries, San Roque Pambuhan Vocational High School, San Jose Technical High School, San Isidro Agro Industrial High School, San Antonio Agricultural and Vocational School, Mondragon Agro-Industrial High School. So, ang mga yan ay sa Region 8, Ito pa, Mapanas Agroindustrial, Lorenzo Isminson, Sumoroy Agroindustrial. Tingnan pa natin yung ibang may PBB 2023. Ito, Division of Naga City, Division of Tagbilaran, Regional Office 7. Ito po ay sa Region 7 naman ngayon, ano? Ito pa, meron ding PBB para sa Division of Siquijor, Division of Bayawan, Division of Danao City, Division of Gihulungan City, Division of Lapu-Lapu City, Division of Bais City, no? Sa Region 7 din po. Ito pa, tingnan pa natin yung iba. Barotac, ay hindi po yung PBB ito. Sa Regional Office 1, meron na rin silang PBB sa DepEd, na Regional Office. Regional Office 1, nako, malaki, 28.1 million pesos para sa mga employees siguro ito nila, sa elementary. Tingnan pa natin yung may PBB, Asan pa? Ito, yung sa Gala Vocational School, Region 8 naman ito. Meron din sa Eladio T. Baliti Memorial School of Fisheries, Don Juan F. Abalon National High School, Catubig Valley. Yung Catubig Valley, Region 8 din. Kapol Agroindustrial, Katarman National High School, Bubon School of Philippine Craftsmen, Basilio B. Chan Memorial Agro and Industrial School, Alin National High School. Ito pa, Division of Maasin City sa Region 8, Maasin Vocational High School. Ito pa, Lalawigan National High School, Division of Borongan City, mayroong 11 million pesos. Eastern Samar National Comprehensive High School, Santa Fe National High School. Ito pa, Division of Maasin City, Villa Jacinta National Vocational School, Silago National Vocational School, Pintuyan Division of Southern Leyte para sa kanilang more than 4,000 na teachers. Ito pa, Division of Bislig City. Ay, hindi po yung PBB. Yung sa Bislig. Tingnan pa natin yung iba. Ito. Sa 2021 pa rin ito, Sa 2021. November 21 na-release. Ito, Heporlos National Trade School, Sulat National High School, Taft National High School, Materinao, Alugan National School of Craftsmanship and Home Industries, Division of Eastern Samar, Lawaan National School of Craftsmanship and Home Industries, MacArthur National Agricultural School, Giwan National High School, Llorente, Southern Samar National Comprehensive High School, Samar National Pilot Opportunity School of Agriculture, Dolores National High School. Nako, ang dami. Region 8 at saka Region 7, Tingnan pa natin yung iba. Ito, Baybay National High School. Meron din para sa, yung sa PBB lang tayo, Division of Baybay City. Meron na ring PBB 2023. Ito pa, sa La Granja National High School, Region 6 naman ito, Division of La Carlota City, San Miguel National High School, Doña Hortensia Salas Benedicto. Meron din sa Bangkeruhan, Kaduhaan, Villasin, Cadiz Viejo, Dr. Vicente Gustilo, Tiglawigan, Division of Cadiz City, Mabidi Farm School. Meron din para sa Speed High School, Sicaba National High School. Ito ay sa Region 6. Tingnan pa natin yung may PBB. Ito, Division of Eastern Samar, Division of Borongan City. So, meron na silang mga PBB, ano? Tingnan pa natin yung iba. Meron pa ba? Okay guys, dun lang po nagtatapos yung listahan na sobrang andami. Congrats po sa meron ng mga PBB 2023. Notice of class allocation na po yan. Ibig sabihin yan sa next week, probably. Nasa mga ATM na yan ng mga teachers kung yan ay talagang tatrabahoin ng mabuti, ano? Hanggang dito na lang po mga ka-Jesnabs. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye. Pakisubscribe ko kung hindi nyo pa ito nagagawa.